Hello everybody, it's your boy Proftrof. We got the green screen set up, we got a new mic. I hope the quality is a bit better now. Anyway, this is a Hololive EN shit. This is Prank War 1. A tennis ball, boing-boings, and a whole lot of chickens. I'm down for the boing-boings. Chicken's pretty good, so let's check it out.
You know, I think I have that problem. I have a lot of like plans. You know, I keep a diary of like all my plans that I want to do, all my goals and stuff. I think I'm a little over ambitious. It's
Yo, I
hard
feel
for
you,
me
Gura.
to like keep up
I
with my
feel
own
ya.
ideas.
A
I
few
feel ya.
minutes later.
What can we do?
What can we do?
We should prank Ame. Wait, no, we've already done Ame. We gave Ame bigger boing. Let's just see. As all things should be. Yes.
Wow.
Oh, yes.
Wow.
Whose house is this at the bottom? Did you say this is Hachama?
Hachama? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Careful who you prank, Gura, please. We don't want to eat some Gura next time. Or Hachama might cook some shark.
I did more destroying than creating. Hey, that was an exception today.
She's
oh,
a
there it is.
She's a Cthulhu monster, it's okay.
Oh, here we go. Oh, that. That's great. That is great. That is just amazing.
Put a
Amazing.
tennis ball next to Ame's tennis racket? Are there still chickens in here? So apparently these are from Kiara. So I'm going to return the favor. In the best way possible. Yes?
Is she throwing eggs at the wall? Yo, is this how chickens are made IRL? You throw eggs at the wall?
Yeah, that looks like enough. That's
Who would have
enough,
thought?
isn't it?
By the way, I am
That's
where
enough.
Gura is, and we cannot be hiding the Gura. So let's go like this. Wait, 1 second, I'll figure it. Okay, we fixed it. Okay. Cannot hide the Gura, okay? We cannot hide the Gura.
Yes.
She
I
threw
wonder
like
if,
50,000 chickens over there.
Did Kiara fix the Gura prank? Oh no, they're still here. They're still here. I'll take the ink back later. See, Kiara told me that I'm the something marketing. So I'm also an employee, don't worry. I'm just doing what a good employee does. Oh! Oh no, I'm so sorry.
Is this what an employee does? Break the walls
Wait,
and
why
let
is there
the
so many
chickens
of them?
out?
Oh dear. I'm so sorry, Kiara. Wait, I
Employee of the month right there, everybody.
Wait, I didn't see that coming. Why is there so many?
That's what she said.
Oh dear. I can fix this. I still have time. Wait, let me crash Akira's plane.
What?
Everyone, get in here. Get in here, everyone. Oh,
Jesus, how many chickens do you have?
welcome to new employee orientation. My name is Nomai Inanis. I shall be your orientation guide today.
Bro, if anyone has ever taken care of chickens, I have when I was little. Well, not really directly, but my grandma had some chickens, like around 10-15 chickens. One thing you're gonna learn very fast when you have chickens, you're gonna get eggs. You're also gonna get shit. A lot of it. Chickens shit a lot. Like unnatural amounts of shit shall be had. If this was IRL, this place would be mines everywhere.
Please,
Trust
no
ya,
pushing,
boy.
no pushing, no pushing. Okay, so first part about being a excellent KFP employee is hygiene. Make sure you wash your feet after you oh no pushing, no pushing, no pushing. Please, no pushing, no pushing. No, get back. Excuse me. Sorry. Get back here, please. I think I somehow managed. You won't escape now, right? Now I got.
Now how are you
gotta
gonna
get
get
out.
out?
Yes.
Outsmarted the chickens. It only took 25 minutes.
I gotta get rid of the evidence. The evidence that they escaped.
You monster.
Why are you here?
You monster.
I'll let you live. And good as new. Good as new.
Nino Mayenasi Inanis. Fired for blowing up the KFP building and killing innocent employees, which shouldn't have been there in the first place. Looking at Gargura, explain yourselves. Boss, please, if you give me another time, I'll write you an essay on why this incident makes me a solid employee.
Yeah, let's put a tennis ball by the tennis racket. So we need green stuff, you know? What's green? Green wool? How do you make green wool? Well, easy girl with green dye. Where do we get green
Yo,
dye?
one second.
Like cactus?
1 second.
Boy, that's
Hey, sorry about that, everybody. Had a call
far
to take.
away.
My hair is looking kind of weird today.
Very nice, very nice.
Where is she
Okay, so
egging?
we're gonna need to go get some green.
What?
No, lime.
Where is this?
Very
Oh.
nice. Alright, see ya, boys and girls. Da.
Insane.
Wait, this is Hachima's house? What? There's chickens in here.
Oh no, Gura actually did the hatch.
There's a lot of chickens in here. What's going on?
Gura. Ina. I thought she was.
My job here is done.
There is a silverfish in my house. I'm really scared of it. No. Wow! Chicken! Present from glass. Yay! Really? Oh, so she killed silverfish? Wow! Yay!
Silverfish?
I think we can do orange. Orange is close enough. We have lots of orange here. Does this work with this?
Is that a reference to something? I don't get it.
Hey, I don't think I need that much. Excuse me. Thank you. Excuse me. Thank you. Very nice.
Bruh, is that considered animal abuse? Having 50 cows in a 5x5 cubic place? Is that animal abuse? How does another animal abuse another animal? A shark abuses cows.
Okay,
That's
where
fucked
should we
up.
put it? We should put it like here?
How is she gonna build
Somewhere
it?
off to the side, I think. Yeah, so you can still see that it's the magnifying glass, but then yeah, no. We know. Okay. Should we just make a bunch of balls? Should we just put balls all around the house?
Gave me
Just
oldie
be
balls.
So bad. Come on and slam to the Space Jam. That looks terrible.
He does.
It's perfect. She's gonna be like, what is that? What is that?
Who made that?
There's a tennis ball, isn't it obvious?
What's that? Tennis ball. No! Yeah, I know that the glass looks like a glass one is a tennis ball, but what's the orange one?
C'est beau.
Really? Who made a tennis ball there? Ah, the tennis racket and ball. Who made a tennis ball? That's funny.
It's funny.
Oh.
Jesus, Gura's terrorizing the community. Wow.
Okura. That's orange. Is there orange tennis balls? It's supposed to be green. She didn't have green. She could have made green. Come on. Gotta dedicate yourself to greater good.
Oh. Now
Who turned the
it's...
tennis ball green? That's. It's much better looking than the orange one. So they.
Then the poop, yes. It is a lot better
I
looking.
see Ina.
What is up with the tennis racket? Did it like catch a bug or something?
Oh hey, what's this? From Hachama.
This is a present for you.
This is present for you. Heart. Hachama.
Hacha hachama.
Wow! Hachama gave us diamonds. What? Oh yeah, we left a bunch of chickens in our house. She's gonna be like, what is that? What is that?
I'm just gonna kill her.
Ugh, what is that? What is that?
That looks terrible.
Doesn't even look good. You know how long I spent building my magnifying glass, and you guys all just turn around and take a big old shit on it? I spent really long working on that. I built it all by myself, and you guys are, wow, it's a tennis racket.
This is gonna be so bad.
Very funny, Gura. Very funny. Yeah, tennis ball looks like trash.
True though. It does not look ballish enough.
I worked really hard on the magnifying glass. It's not a tennis racket. You guys don't even know what a tennis racket looks like. What, you guys want to see the statue?
Oh no.
Why are they so long? Actually, I think a lot of people were expecting me to be really surprised when I logged into Minecraft and saw all the stuff that Guda made. But I was actually watching her stream, and I would like walk
Oh.
away. I would see her working on something, and I'd be like, "What the fuck is that?" And then she would say, "They're never gonna see this coming, haha! Like they'll know. Don't tell anybody, but I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna do that." And I was like, "Okay, I'll just go away for a little while." And then I would come back, and then she'd be doing something else. I'm like, "What the heck is that?" And she'd be like, "They'll never know." So I just walk away because I want Guda to feel like to feel like she's actually accomplishing something.
Ah.
I didn't want her to know that I knew. I didn't want to disappoint her. And usually I'm watching her stream and she's doing something like that, and I was just like, oh, okay, I'll leave the stream open, but I'll just go do something else.
Yo, where the shippers at? Where's all the shipping boys? Where y'all at? I think y'all had a moment right here. I think you have a moment you can ship.
I
Okay.
worked really hard on that.
Then acting.
Bazookas. They're bazookas. I'll get her back for this. Somehow, she'll pay.
Escalate the
What she's done
prank
to
war,
my statue.
baby.
Not right now though, because I'm busy building XP farms. Ooh, those are bazookas. Amezo bazookas.
I am aware of what has happened here. I am very much aware, and I do not mind having chickens in there, to be honest, because it is the employee room after all, so that's okay. But I feel like I have been challenged. Let's go to Gura's new house.
A three-way rank war. That's not the three-way I wanted to see between these three, but good enough, I guess.
heard that Gura has a new house. Well, I have a housewarming gift for her. How do I get to her house? Where was that exactly?
That's a lot of eggs. Wait, what?
Difficult to give her the housewarming gift.
Where is the house?
Isn't that her new house? That's the old. What? How many old houses does she have? That's like the third old house that she has. What is that? That's Hachama's house? Eh? That's Hachama's house? Why did she build it there?
That's pretty cool house,
なぜ
though.
ここにHachamaの家? Oh, chickens! There's chickens everywhere!
There is.
Oh, is that supposed to be her hood? Her hoodie?
Her
Okay, well
hood?
that's perfect. That's beautiful. Perfect. Okay. I need more. I need to bring more of them. This is not enough. I have too many eggs.
What the hell?
Ah, chickies! Well,
She's
this
got
is
all
what's
the eggs.
supposed to happen.
Jesus Christ.
I don't know what Gura expected. If she pranks the egg queen, although I guess it's me who started the fight originally. Eggs. I think eggs are good for growth. I guess probably. So Gura, have some.
You calling Gura small? You calling her a petite shark?
Have some eggs.
Oof.
Hello, Gura house. You take some eggs. But there's no way you will ever
Laugh
get
transition.
rid of chickens now. There's no way you will ever live a life without chickens now.
Oh. It's like an actual enclosed space now, other than just the frame. Oh no. Why do I hear all
You
the
can
chickens?
hear them. Jesus! Jesus! That's a lot of chickens.
Kiara.
I wanna see Gura. Gura, what'd you say to the chickens?
Oh dear.
What did the shark say to the
Well,
chicken?
at least they have a swimming pool.
Guess we'll see now.
At least they have a swimming pool. That's a lot of eggs. What's
It's
she
good that
looking
you
at?
don't.
Well,
It's good
Good
that you
luck
don't
with
need
that
to
girl.
feed them in Minecraft, right?
Look what I did! Look! Ta-da! Yeah, there's something inside waiting for me. That I was not expecting
Oh, she
until
saw it.
I heard it, and then I saw it leaking out of the side of my house.
How is she
I don't
doing
know
that
who
with the
left
ground?
this for me. I have an idea, but ah, my Uber Eats delivery has arrived.
What did the shark? What did the shark say to the chicken? Ah. We take
Oh,
it,
guess
boys.
what we're having for breakfast for the next forever?
Chickens?
Is this from Kiara? I'm thinking this is Kiara for some reason. This feels a bit like a Kiara. All right, I think I gotta take it. He
that
lies on
cat?
the bed.
True. What's that sound?
That's amazing. I love this game. I gotta kill these chickens. They're lagging my game out.
Monster.
I'm sorry, but it's time to die. Oh, thank you. Hello, thank you. Yep, sorry. Hello. We got 86 for chickens. No. Yeah, order 86. We're gonna 66.
Dart girl.
Goodbye, chicken. Goodbye. You were too long elastic. You're lagging my game out. Hey! Can I sleep with the kitty?
Now kill the cat. Let your transformation be complete. Rise, Anakin, rise! It's the Dark Lord you were always supposed to be.
I love it, I love it.
Ah, there's so many! Stop!
I still hear buck buck buck. Do we hear buck buck buck, or is it just in my head at this
One
point?
survivor.
It might be in my head yeah, that was Kiara's prank.
Jesus. She
It's good.
slaughtered them all. That's kind of scary, I gotta be honest with you.
You can go out!
Hacha hacha, man.
There's no master anymore!
No master.
Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Bye then. Bye chickens. You all flee.
Hachama will return. I believe it. And if you believe it, okay, this was a fucking nice ass video. Okay, you win. Anyway, what y'all think? Y'all enjoy this? Y'all enjoy this shit? Let me know what y'all think about the new setup we got going. Okay, I need to hear some things. Y'all like it more, less, trash, not trash? Let me know in the comments. Okay, how's the new mic doing? Is it pretty well? Is it the same as the old one? I hope it's not, because I would be very angry if it is. Anyway, quick thank you to the patrons: Pedro Martinez, Kameasko, you and Rob, Bear Princess, Swast, Eric Fuels, Chicken 53. Yeah, Chicken, we saw a lot of your brethren die, buddy. I'm sorry. Senior Hilter, Lemon and Moon Knight, my Dash Ironic. Thank you for your support. Means a lot, okay? Thank you. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time, everybody. Have a nice day.